In this video, how to save all open tabs to reopen anytime in Microsoft Edge. The first method, if you're not signed in or syncing your Edge profile with a Microsoft account. You can add all the open tabs to favorites. From favorites, you can export them to import into another computer or profile later. The second method, you can add all open tabs to a collection. This is an easy way to organize and reopen tabs when needed. The third method, if your Edge profile is synced with a Microsoft account. Simply add all the open tabs to favorites. On another computer, sign into the same Microsoft account in Edge. The saved tabs will sync automatically. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.